So here's my dresser, French Provincial style. A lot of this furniture was made in the 80s and it's really solidly constructed, but it always has this kind of plasticky coating on it. The good thing about DIY paint is it will stick to any surface, and I've made over a lot of these. I'm gonna start by removing the knobs. I always recommend that you put your hardware in a Ziploc bag so you don't lose any of the screws, and I speak from experience. Before you get started painting, give your piece a thorough cleaning. I like using Humble Suds Concentrated All Natural Cleaner, which you can find on my website. I am using the new One Step Paint Jamie Ray Vintage Color from DIY Paint. It's similar to our 100% natural clay and chalk paint, but there is a built-in finish. It's very easy to use. It's self-leveling, so you don't have to spray water. This is my first coat. You can see how well it covers the old gold parts that is always on this French Provincial furniture. It's very easy to use and I just love it. So I've got one dry coat of the new vintage pink One Step paint. So I'm gonna do another coat and I think we'll be all set for the next step. I decided to add some gold trim back in. The gold that's originally on this piece is very dated looking, so I'm using DIY Paint Gold Patina. It's called Golden Ticket, and I'm using a fine artist brush to just get it in the little spaces. It has a long open time, so if you mess up, you can wipe it off. I want to age this piece, so I'm using DIY Paint All Natural Dark and Decrepit Patina. Wear gloves because it will stain your hands. Because the paint already has a finish built in, it will not absorb the dark and decrepit nearly as fast as a absorbent DIY clay paint. I am spritzing my surface with a little bit of water, then rubbing it on. Be sure to work quickly and work in sections. It will dry. You can always reactivate it and wipe more off if you catch it before it's too dry. Take some practice with it. It's a fun product to use. Dark and Decrepit is great for using as an aging glaze or as a stain over raw wood or even lightly stained wood. I wanted to give this piece an old world style, so this is the perfect product for that. After you finish the piece, be sure to take the drawers out and get the inside. I am in love with the new IOD Spring Release. We're going to use this new transfer. I'm using some of the transfers from this adorable new transfer from IOD, Whispering Willow. All of the things that I have, all the new IOD is on my website. All of the IOD transfers come in the tablet. You can use all of the sheets together to make a scene, or you can cut them up individually. When you are using them, be sure to keep the white non-sticky paper behind it as you're figuring out where you want it, and then pull it off and place it down where you would like it to stick. All transfers come with a plastic burnishing stick. Starting at one end or one section on the edge, lightly press with your finger as I'm doing, and then gently pull the paper back. You will see that it is sticking. It's great to usually put a finish on before you try a transfer, but this has a built-in, so it's all great. And here is the finished transfer. I love the way it looks. It came together as an old vintage pink dresser, perfect for a French themed little girl's room or a French feminine house. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have tons more junk makeovers at RedouxInteriors.com. Everything I used in this video can be found at my website with links below. Thanks for watching.